एक छोटा सा या ये डॉक्टर ये क्या नाम भारती जी, मेरे साथ ना कभी कभी रात को सवेरे जब उठता हूँ तो आधी बाजू बिल्कुल सोई होती है, मतलब जैसे बिल्कुल सॉलिड बनी होती है। इट एट टाइम्स इट हैपेंस। फिर मुझे बड़े हाथ व पैर बार बार उनको हिलाना पड़ता है जोर जोर से, तो देन इट कम्स इनटू द प्रॉपर फ्लो ब्लड का होता है। बट व्हाट इज द रीजन आई कुड नेवर नो। ये कभी कभी होता है, नॉट रेगुलरली, बट 10-15 दिन में एक बार हो ही जाता है। This is just my, in case you are able to solve it. Thank you, so nice of you.
No. After meal, किस साइड में आप सोते हैं, लेफ्ट में कि राइट में?
मोस्टली तो लेफ्ट राइट दोनों ही होता है। मैं कैनट 90% राइट और राइट ही बाजू होती है। यू आर वेरी राइट। मोस्टली मैं राइट साइड में सोता हूँ, राइट ही बाजू होती है ये।
अच्छा। So I would advise after meal, people should start on their left. जो हीट का कॉम्बिनेशन है वो लेफ्ट से इनहेंस होता है, और मील के बाद जो सन एलिमेंट है आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा चाहिए। वैसे भी जब whenever our age we get older, the heat element हमारी बॉडी में कम होता जाता है, keeps reducing as per our age. There are many factors for heat reduction, but I have that in mind. I will address if there is any other questions.
Yes, Dr. Praveen Yogi, go ahead, please.
जी दादा बोले। Good morning.
Doctor, you mute, sir. Doctor,
Unmute yourself.
okay.
Virendra ji, I put this question which might be discussed later maybe, but the question is that आपने जो कहा था ना कि our diet is based on this concept of the BAPSSS.
Yes.
छह चीज होनी चाहिए, और यहाँ के diet वाले always say that get rid of the salt and the sugar as much as possible. So if we could discuss this difference later, because this applies not only to diabetics but also to other people as well.
Okay, I will give a minor clue on that before we discuss in detail in this session. Anything else?
No more raised hands.
Okay, so two things. You need, as I said, you need little sun element in your system, especially after meal and evening time. So it's better when you start your sleep, you start with left for some time. If you cannot do that, then there is a posture for that which is called Yoga Nidra. And when you start Yoga Nidra, you start from left and you end with left. And I will explain in detail later how to do Yoga Nidra. I have already suggested people two things. You have to align your spine.
Yes, sir.
सोने का में जो एक साइड सो जाता है, तो many factors. First, which side your elongation is more when you are in sleep. The other thing, what is your inherent body element? And the third important thing, of course, your diet and the environment you live in. And I will give you a good idea how to enhance the environment you live in. Very simple thing.
Yes, sir.
And the other thing is the syncing, alignment of your spine or the whole endocrine gland with your system. Alignment ka bahut, it's very simple way I suggested. कि lie down on your floor for about half an hour. The best diagnosis that there is unalignment, the moment you lie down, after few minutes you will feel uneasy or pain in some part of your body. That is a sign that the endocrine gland and other spine is not aligned properly.
बट आई कैन टेल यू सर, मैं जब योगा करता हूँ तो मैट के ऊपर करीब योगा खत्म करने के बाद 5-7 मिनट लेटा रहता हूँ बिल्कुल सीधा, जैसे शवासन बोलते हैं. तो आई डोंट फाइंड एनी प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ, तो इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ अलाइनमेंट के लिए थोड़ा सा लेटा करें, उसमें थोड़ा टाइम बढ़ा दें उसका. द अदर ऑप्शन इज you start from left.
Yeah.
And the third option, sun element बढ़ाने का ओल्ड एज में सबसे बढ़िया ऑप्शन है. अगर आपके पास तुलसी का पेड़ है घर में और नहीं है तो मेरे से ले जाएं, मेरे पास बहुत है.
ठीक है जी.
और अगेन ये मेरी वॉलंटियर सर्विस होती है सोसाइटी को.
थैंक
यू सर.
आप किसी को भी तुलसी के नीचे घी के दिए जलाया करें थोड़ा, या जिस एरिया में आप ज्यादा रहते हो, घर के जिस हिस्से में आप ज्यादा रहते हो उस एरिया में थोड़ा घी का दिया जला दिया करें. उसका किसी पूजा पद्धति से संबंध नहीं है, उसका आपके एलिमेंट से संबंध है, लेकिन हमारे ऋषियों ने या लोगों ने उसको विश्वास से जोड़ दिया जिससे आम आदमी इसको करने लगे. तो जिस भी एरिया में आप ज्यादा रहते हैं वो कोई जरूरी नहीं हो पूजा घर हो,
ठीक है,
जिस भी एरिया में आप ज्यादा रहते हैं उस एरिया में घी का दिया जला दिया करें. और
बट ये तुलसी के नीचे
कोई जरूरी नहीं तुलसी के नीचे. तुलसी के नीचे होता है तो उसकी इनहेंसमेंट बढ़ जाती है. द ओनली रीजन इज दिस. तुलसी और घी के दिए का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत हेल्दी है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तुलसी और घी के दिए का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही हेल्दी. तुलसी वैसे भी प्योरीफाइंग प्लांट है, तो घर के इन्वायरमेंट को, टॉक्सिन्स को क्लीन करता है.
ठीक है.
तुलसी इटसेल्फ.
ओके.
तो अगर तुलसी के नीचे हीट आप जनरेट करते हो तो उसकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है हीट जनरेट करने से.
ठीक है.
एमिट कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है उसकी, और कोई रीजन नहीं है. तो घी, लेकिन असली चीज है अगर आप पूजा घर में या तुलसी के नीचे जलाते हो और उस एरिया में कम रहते हो तो उसका इफेक्ट आपको कम मिलेगा.
राइट.
या यहाँ पे थोड़ा इफेक्ट इसलिए बढ़ जाता है क्योंकि हाउसेज आर क्लोज्ड.
टोटली क्लोज.
तो जो एमिट हो रही है, एमिटेंस जो भी है वो ऑफ कोर्स आपको मिलेगा, उसका थोड़ा चैनल लॉन्ग हो सकता है. सो मेक श्योर आप घर में एक तुलसी का प्लांट रखें. अगर आप बोथ तुलसी रख सकते हो तो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़िया है. श्यामा और रामा दोनों, या कृष्णा और रामा, जिसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में ग्रीन तुलसी और ब्लैक तुलसी कहते हैं.
ये आप ही के पास आना पड़ेगा सर.
हाँ, ले जाइएगा. अभी मौसम बहुत अच्छा नहीं है क्योंकि अभी इन्वायरमेंट बदलेगा, उसका एक्लिमेटाइजेशन इतना. तुलसी इज ए वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्लांट and it's very sensitive to its environment and water. तो अभी आप ले जाएंगे तो आप ले तो जाएंगे, वो एक हफ्ते में मर जाएगी.
इसका खत्म नहीं होगा.
चलिए ठीक है, जैसा भी मौका कमिंग टाइम पे.
तो आप ले जा सकते हैं, मेरे पास अभी 2-4 और होगी तो, लेकिन ये है कि वो मर जाएगी.
नहीं ठीक है, मैं बाद में लूंगा फिर आपसे. खाली अभी दिए काम चलाते.
स्प्रिंग के बाद समय आता है, उस समय आप ले जाएं, थोड़े दिन बाहर रखें अपने घर के, फिर उसको ऐसे एरिया में ले आए जहां लाइट ज्यादा मिलती हो, और उसकी जगह ज्यादा नहीं बदलनी चाहिए. तुलसी को ज्यादा छूना छाना नहीं चाहिए, वो बहुत सेंसिटिव प्लांट है, और उसको पानी भी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए या
उसको बहुत कम, उसका हमेशा प्लांट्स, किसी भी प्लांट्स को हमेशा उसका फेस सरफेस जो है पहले उंगली से टच करके देखें। अगर अगर उंगली में स्टिक हो रही है सॉइल तो पानी नहीं देना चाहिए। बट देर इज थिंग पर वो वाटर का एक बॉटल आता है, उसको अपोजिट आप लगा दें तो वो अपने आप ले लेता है। दैट्स अ बेटर वे। सो दैट विल हेल्प बैलेंसिंग द एलिमेंट इनसाइड यू। और एक और चीज बता दें, आजकल 3 चीजों के लिए तुलसी और घी लिट का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है। एलर्जी के लिए, अस्थमा के लिए और इम्यून के लिए।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
ये 3 चीजें ध्यान रखिए। जिस घर में अगर ये है, नेचुरली आपका इम्यून स्ट्रांग होगा। आपको, आप कभी ट्राई करके देखिएगा, एलर्जी अस्थमा आपके पास नहीं आएगी, कम आएगी। ऐसा तो नहीं कह सकते नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि एलर्जी का जो प्रॉब्लम है anybody could get it.
या
Whenever any foreign element comes near you, because environment changes, you cannot control the environment. If there is any new serum or new pollen or anything comes in the environment which does not suit you, you will get allergy. And what bodies does, what system does, it develops antibodies against that. The biggest problem is the moment you start developing that, you get desperate for medication. So I give you an example. 4 or 5 years ago, I was really suffering hard first time. कोई नया पॉलन आया होगा इन्वायरमेंट में, जिससे मुझे कॉमन कोल्ड हुआ था। First year. Second year it get very milder. This year I got nothing. So stronger, I know I have a very strong immune, but I can get it too. Anyone can get it. So make sure give time to your system to develop, and if you get desperate, you will never develop antibody. Antibody getting only 2 ways. Either you develop in your system or you get a vaccine.
या
There are 2 ways only. The moment you get a vaccine, your system stops developing antibody.
That's very bad.
It doesn't do, because system, how it works, it says, oh, you already have antibody, you don't need it.
No.
That's how systems see it. The moment you take outside source, it stops developing that. And now what happens, now you have to work harder if you next year, if you don't take it, because system knows you have antibody. And the moment you don't take vaccine, it will work harder now to develop antibodies, and you will have more trouble.
Oh.
Okay.
And keep getting worse over time. Keep getting, same thing applies to diabetes related problems. So the moment you get any symptom, start working on that, start developing antibody. I know after certain time, it is very difficult for system to develop antibody. A time comes when you are very fragile, you are very old, you can't develop antibody. So that time, if anything life-threatening, take vaccine, no issue at all. But in order for the broader enhancement, you have to be a little bit stronger to face the problem. So that's one thing. The diet thing, as I suggested, doctors or anybody prevents you of taking sugar and salt because you had already taken too much. That's the only reason. because since very beginning, the other two elements, bitter and astringent, is very low in your system.
Okay.
And if you continuously start doing the same diet, so after a certain time, the other two or three elements are very low.
Okay.
So that's why I'm not able to see everybody. Any reason?
You have a gallery view.
भारती जी मैंने हाईलाइट आप पे किया है because
अच्छा,
everybody wants to see
Okay.
you, right?
No issue. That's fine. So make sure. Of course, if you have taken too much salt and sugar, to balance that, after you get a disease or sickness, you have to take other elements more. It means you have to prevent or reduce or completely stop the other elements, so that system develops accordingly. So these are the balances you have to make, but I still suggest you have, if you are taking other element, for example, if you take bitter, it reduces the effect of sugar. आप मेथी क्यों खाते हो? Why you take Karela and all those? Why you take jamun and all those? So because it reduces the effect of others. So make sure you have a balance of bitter, astringent, pungent. These three are very important. Sweet, sugar and salt naturally comes to us too much. In all our diet, there is sugar, preservative is sugar or salt, and sour. They all come inherently. हम सब pickles खाते हैं, अचार खाते हैं. I'm not stopping all those things, but you have to take bitter, astringent and pungent in your diet too. So those are two things. Now let's go back to our today. I would like to wrap up the diabetic thing. So as I suggested, first how you diagnose the sugar level. I'm not saying whether you have sugar or not. So you can also diagnose what is level of sugar in your blood or in your urine. There are two ways I suggested. There is one acupressure point here. There is one acupressure point here. If this hurts too much, it means blood sugar is a little bit on the north side, little bit more. If this hurts, blood sugar is also in I'm saying sugar in your urine is also high. Now how acupressure works, these two are acupressure technique. These two gives you immediate relief. As I suggested, acupressure, you do all the points, and at the end you have to do this middle point. So what happens when you do acupressure to any point, it releases toxins, bad toxins from that surrounding area, and throw it into your garbage bin, means kidney. So at the end you have to do this acupressure point. How do you diagnose the middle one? Detect the middle one, you make a bowl like this, your hand, and the exactly middle point is the kidney point. So you do both hands, and then you get rid of that toxin from there. But this only won't gonna help you if you are a sugar patient for long. How you do acupressure? 40 to 50 times you intermittently you press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release. Make sure do not use any external object, like कुछ लोग ये पेन यूज करते हैं, कुछ लोग पेंसिल यूज करते हैं. Never use anything. Your thumb is good. These these three fingers are very important. So basically acupressure is done by your thumb. Other fingers go behind. So if you do this, it does like this. If you do this, it does like this. I have already explained the positions of these points. These give you, so you have to do about 2 months this acupressure. Also, I suggested this gland, if it hurts and if you don't have sugar, it is an indication that there could be some life-threatening, some serious disease coming to you. So don't get panic. Go to your doctor if it hurts too much. And as I suggested, there is a level of 1 to 10. I fully understand that for you it's very difficult to segregate which level you are. If I check you, I can exactly tell you ki your sugar point is 10 or 9 or 12 or something. I can even make a chart and exactly you can figure out what is your sugar content in your blood and in your urine both. But very strong pain, very severe pain is an indication that it's there. Of course, it does not mean you have to stop taking sugar, as I always suggested. You just have to make a balance between all the elements. That's the first step. You have to do some postures as well. This only not gonna help you if your body is not fit. If you there are two elements in your system. First is, I always say, there is a software and there is a hardware. So your software is working very good. But if hardware means outside bones, body, muscles, all these are not strong enough. For example, software wants to reduce glucose content in your system, but system is not performing, it's not listening. The inherent body part is not listening. It's not strong enough to carry on those instructions. So you have to build your physical body as well. Posture does that. As I suggested, one very beginning step is stretching your spine. So that's why sun salutation helps you, because you go down, touch the floor, and there are many high rise and all those postures. There are 12 major postures are there. Overall, there are 26 to 36 postures in sun salutation. There are many variations, but very standard. I noticed over time 12 postures are very standard. So you do sun salutation little bit. You have to twist your spine, stretch and twist both. Twist, I think, did I show you how to do twisting?
I don't think.
No.
Okay, because twisting, I have to lie down and show you. I don't know how. We have to schedule a time for that. But give you a good idea. Lie down on your back. Both, it's like you sink your spine. Lie down on your back. Both hands spread on your side. while on your back. So one leg, one foot goes on top of other between two toes, and I'm going to show you how does that look like. So you lie down on your back. So these are like this, and this goes like this. Everyone could see it?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So that's one way, and the other, the reverse. So on your back, one leg on this, that's the posture, hands spread on your side. So your neck goes on left side and both leg like this, if goes on this side, on the right side. The other option, practically I will show you probably next class. Let me note down. Spine twisting. So two important poses are very important. Spine should be stretched vertically, horizontally, and also twisted. All these are very important because your spine is directly connected to your endocrine glands, supported by sciatica nerve. So these three are very important combinations: spine, sciatica nerve, and endocrine glands. And they are directly related to your organs and health. You may be knowing our sciatica nerve is the thickest nerve in your body. It goes from your toe to back head. If that is not healthy, cerebrospinal fluid, the channelizing of cerebrospinal fluid to your spine is affected, greatly affected. Of course, you have pain, sciatica pain and all those, but that comes after. I just wanted to show you, when you feel sickness, when you see the symptoms, that's very late stage. There are 5 or 7 stages of sickness, disease. It starts from your environment to your surrounding, to your body, to your mind, to means software, to organs inside, then going inside the organ, and then 40 to 50% if organ dysfunctional, then you see the symptom. So by the time your lab test tells you that, oh, you have this problem, it's too late. That's why some of the disease, it's very difficult for medical science or modern science to bring you back. So the only option they have is to manage it. So these techniques I'm telling you, also a general status of health of your endocrine is being told by this gland, parathyroid. This is also a dual gland. If it hurts, too much hurts, then there are two things. Either some of the endocrine glands are not healthy, or you have hyper or hypothyroid. So these are the things. So you have to do postures, you have to twist, and when the spine twisting you go, you have to go left and head goes right. When the leg goes right, head goes left. Make sure both hands perfectly on the floor, spread on the floor. Try to keep your leg straight. Means when the leg goes this way, it touches the bottom, the bottom of leg or the whole leg touches the floor. So if leg becomes angular, then it defeats the purpose. So you do the spine twisting, vertical enhancement of his spine, 4 ways of breathing, as I suggested, this, and this. Any breathing, I give you a technical thing. Have you noticed when you inhale, your height goes up? Because the air goes in. So your body has 2 ways. If any air goes in, of course the lungs will balloon, will inflate. But when it inflate, your body will go either this way or this way or both ways. So whenever I tell you or I ask you to do deep breathing or inhale as much as you could, it means you are stretching your spine upward, vertical and horizontal. That's why it is very important. Whenever I tell you this is spine twisting, 4 ways. But physically you have to do as well. So these are few ways. You have to do not only this. If the sugar level or blood pressure or endocrine glands are very unhealthy and for consistently for longer period of time, then you have to do other endocrine glands as well. For diabetes, sure, you have to do not only these 2, you have to do endocrine glands as well. So there are 8 or 9 very important points for that. They start from root to pineal. So there is root, there is solar plexus, there is adrenal and pancreas, there is thymus and heart, then there is parathyroid, thyroid gland, then there comes pituitary gland, and then comes pineal gland. So these organs should be massaged or acupressured as well. Best way, I will go specific to each of them as people ask for, but the best way for you, as I suggested, you do this when you are in your shower or this. So you have to do this, clapping like this. So fingers against fingers and the whole hands against each other. There is also one way you do this. So these areas. So there is one way, this thing is for the root. And this whole area is related to your diabetes organ, adrenal, pancreas, and all those, this way. So this way. So this is also called mountain in Hastrekha. So these mountains against each other, these against each other, and these against each other, and of course overall. So these are generic ways. If problem is persistent and for longer period of time, of course you have to devote some time. If problem is very severe, then as I suggested, there is I suggest about 8 to 12 week of course. If problem is genetic, then 9 to 12 months of course. So these are the best way to cure the problem, and then you can again enjoy the sweet. Also, to help your system, as I suggested, I prepare a water based on your element. So when you are on this course, you have to take that water 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass in the evening based on your element. So jo elemental tweak hai, that will be done faster. Also cross leg, when you sit down in cross leg, you stretch yoga pose as I suggested, your back, head, spine, lower part of his spine should be one line. So in that position, and if you are cross leg, you inhale when, then you stretch your root horizontal, means the spine is being stretched this way and also this way. So cross leg is for horizontal stretch. If you cannot sit down cross leg, that's fine. Stretch your leg and then sit down. If you cannot sit down at all by stretching your leg as well, then sit down on a dining chair, which for which the back is straight. So these are a lot of other ways. There is also one way. What now again? Understand the science behind that. In Vedanta, you have 33 crore deities. And listen very carefully, the science behind this. It's not deity. And these deities are headed by Indra. So first of all, Indra is Indriya. ये जो हमारी इंद्रियां हैं ना, उनके 33 करोड़ एलिमेंट है, और ये 33 करोड़ आप हो, because you are one of 33 crore, you are different, so your deity is different. Now, if your deity is different, then your mantra is different for that particular deity. Now, how this is relevant? The relevance is each mantra has a different kind of resonation inside you, the vibrations inside you. Each mantra, a different kind of resonation inside, vibrations inside you, suiting you. If you go to ancient India, and I still see people do that, you take Guru Mantra. Why you take that? In my family, because I belong to a priest family, so some people do Guru Mantra. And last time when my Chachaji was alive, I asked him, when people come to you, what kind of Guru Mantra you give? And he said, any Guru Mantra, it doesn't matter. And at that point I said, you cannot give any Guru Mantra to anybody. It doesn't work that way. You have to read Vedanta, how it works. Because if you have sun element prominent in your system, then your mantra is different. If you have moon element, then your mantra is different. If you have water element, your mantra is different. If you have fire element, your mantra is different. You can take any mantra, but it doesn't suit you. It doesn't create that kind of resonation, that kind of vibrations inside you, which directly related to your endocrine gland. So each mantra has a different resonation, different vibration, and different syncing with your system. So make sure, and all these combination, 5 or 8 elements with combination, and then there is a different ratio of combination. They create 33 crore combination. And that's why there are 33 crore deity and 33 crore mantras. So make sure you choose a mantra which suits you, that create resonation inside you, vibrations inside you, that helps you physically to fight with disease. Of course, other thing comes later, but first of all, physical health is very important. Also, what kind of element you wear, means gold, silver, diamond. There is no random thing, you can wear anything. There is just one finger you can wear anything, which is the ring finger, because this is neutral finger. Any other finger, if you wear anything, it affects your health. Again, it's being determined by your element. Big topic. I can take months to explain these things, but these are few just little ideas I give you how awakened, how modern ancient Indian values and system were, how scientific they were. But we need modern science to incorporate that, and they are incorporating slowly. Few years ago, yoga become a little thing. Then mantra is the next step. I tell you, and then 33 crore will become a part of science after certain time. Once they understand the concept between 33 crore mantra and resurrection, so then they understand the scientific value of this. And I hope by that time no one will be sick. Forget about sickness. People should be blissful. Floor is open for question.
And Uma Koral, go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
Uma ji bole, please.
नमस्कार भारती जी।
जी नमस्ते, बोले प्लीज।
आपने अभी अभी बोला कि पानी के 2 गिलास, एक सुबह एक शाम, मगर उसकी प्रेपरेशन क्या है, कैसे तैयार करते हो?
वो कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस है,
तो वो हम अपने आप नहीं बना सकते?
नहीं, उसका टाइमिंग बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे बनती है, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन आपका एलिमेंट इम्बैलेंस हो सकता है। तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट थिंग है, आई नीड टू नो योर एलिमेंट.
Okay.
Then there is a combination of about.
How will you find out my element?
Just I can check your pulse and let you know.
Okay.
या मेरे पास कभी भी आ जाइए फोन करके,
अच्छा.
अगर आई एम होम, मैं आपका पल्स टेस्ट करूंगा और बता दूंगा आपका एलिमेंट क्या है. आपको एक रेशियो दे दूंगा कि 30% क्या है, 40% क्या है, 10% क्या है. उस एलिमेंट के हिसाब से ये बनता है वाटर. इसमें 16 चीजों का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है.
वो क्या है?
मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं, आप जो सवाल पूछ रही हैं. एक बार कोई मेरे पास आया और उन्होंने मेरे से कहा कि उनको डायबिटीज की या किस चीज की, हार्ट की शायद प्रॉब्लम थी. मैंने उनको सलूशन बता दिया, वो जल्दी में थे क्योंकि बाहर से आए थे. In the meantime, he called me. He said, "I'm getting a lot of benefits." I said, "And I'm continue doing this." After 2 months or 3 months, he called me. He said, "I'm going for kidney surgery."
Okay.
And I say, "Did you? How much acupressure you did? How many times you did? And how much the water I suggested you drank?" And he doubled or tripled the process. He could not maintain the element I suggested him. And also he added few other things, but people listen in the gossip parties. After that, I do not I do not tell people how to prepare those 16 elements.
I see.
So that is for your health and benefit. So that because I need to safeguard myself. I don't want someone to go to court and say भारती जी ने ये कहा था और हमको ये दिक्कत हो गई.
तो इसका मतलब है जो पानी आप तैयार करके देंगे,
I will give you the water, and
Okay.
the water
तो वो
consists.
कितने दिन तक मेरे पास रह सकता है?
अगर नॉर्मली 2 से 3 वीक आप फ्रिज में रख लो उसको.
अच्छा,
वो जैसे आपकी सोडा वाटर की आप या जैसे जो सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक की बॉटल होती है, इस तरह का एक ग्लास में पानी मिलेगा. मैं सबको देता भी नहीं हूँ बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ माय टाइम एंड आई जस्ट नीड टू फिगर आउट द पर्सन इज रियली सीरियस अबाउट दिस.
ओके.
क्योंकि अगर जेनेटिक प्रॉब्लम है तो ये प्रोसेस लंबा चलेगा, 9 to 12 months. जेनेटिक नहीं है then maybe you get benefit within 6 to 12 weeks.
I see. उसके बाद नहीं जरूरत.
उसके बाद वो रिडक्शन हो जाएगा, 1 टाइम हो जाएगा, फिर 1 से वाइल हो जाएगा, जैसे आप मेडिकेशन लेते हो.
ओके.
लेकिन I don't want to disturb or imbalance any of your element by doing it yourself. अब आप इस तरह ये सवाल ऐसा ही है जैसे आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओ और डॉक्टर से पूछो कि जो तुम दवाई दे रहे हो मुझे बता दो, मैं कर लूंगा. ये इस तरह है.
ओके, ओके, ठीक है, समझ गए. ठीक है.
नेक्स्ट भावना जी.
Thank you.
Next question please.
भावना चौकसी.
But I also want to say one thing. The water step comes very at last stage when the problem is very serious. I do not recommend in the beginning.
नहीं बोल सकते? हेलो
जी प्लीज बोलें आप.
भावना चौकसी.
You are mute.
I didn't ask him to.
ओके, अभी ठीक है?
जी
कैन यू हियर मी?
जी प्लीज गो अहेड.
आज से 5-10 साल पहले मैं डॉक्टर पंकज नरम से मिला था.
जी
पंकज नरम जो है वो नाड़ी परीक्षा के एक्सपर्ट हैं. उन्होंने मेरे पल्स को देखा और बोल दिया कि आपको पार्टी रुक रुक के आती है, एक साथ नहीं आती है, पीसमील बेस पे आती है. मैंने कहा करेक्ट, ठीक है. तो उसके इलाज में उन्होंने बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ दी. उनका डायग्नोज तो एकदम करेक्ट था, मगर जो दवाइयाँ दी उनका कोई असर नहीं हुआ. तो वो प्रॉब्लम इज स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग.
बहुत आसान इलाज है.
हाँ जी.
मैं लेकिन ये काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो सकता है.
ओके.
तो आसान डिपेंड करता है कितना ओल्ड मर्ज है, और चूंकि ये पर्टिकुलर मर्ज की बात है इसलिए पब्लिक में थोड़ा डिस्कस करना ठीक नहीं है. लेकिन सबसे आसान सी चीज एक चीज बताया हूँ, पहले अपना चेक योर सोलर plexus first.
ओके.
And after solar plexus then there are few little things you have to do. If you are in town you can meet me sometime.
Okay, I will love to meet you.
Yeah, and I suggest everyone specific question मेरे लिए आंसर करना because ये public मंच है, it's not advisable.
Okay.
But
Perfect.
but any stool related problems, the first thing you do is check your solar plexus and balance it.
Okay.
And the other thing you do, there are 5 elements here. The root, you have to awaken root, prostate, penis, vagina, uterus, and ovaries.
Okay.
And the third thing is you have to do एनल संकुचन का जो प्रोसेस बताया था
अर्जुन.
रूट अवेकन के लिए.
Okay.
बट इसके स्पेसिफिक डिटेल्स एग्जैक्टली कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, ये आप व्यक्तिगत फोन कर लें या मिल लें. आई विल टेल यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ टू डू इट.
So, okay, मैं फोन करके आपसे अपॉइंटमेंट ले लूंगा.
जी जी
Okay,
जी भावना जी बोलें प्लीज.
Thank you.
भावना जी, इससे पहले कि आप बोले, एक मेरी हाथ जोड़ के सबसे गुजारिश है, हेलो, वी हैव अ सिस्टम, आपको कोई सवाल पूछना है, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, रेज योर हैंड, और आपका क्यू में सुदेश इज द होस्ट, वो बारी बारी से सबको चांस देगी. प्लीज डोंट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड कम इन बिटवीन. सो लेट अस फॉलो दिस सिस्टम. आप अपना हैंड रेज कीजिए, and Sudesh will invite you all. As the hands go up, it comes in that queue. Please.
Yeah, but she did invite me. That's why I said I don't say the name.
I'm not telling you. आपको invite किया था, मुझे मालूम है.
Okay.
हाँ,
Okay.
मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ, जो invite किया जाता है वो ही बोले. धन्यवाद. Thanks for your call.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Dr. Bharti ji, my question is, I have a foot surgery, so I cannot do full Surya Namaskar. So, is there any other way I can do it, like partial or?
No, not necessary. Full कोई जरूरी नहीं है सन सैल्यूटेशन के सारे आप पोस्चर्स करें. हमने एक बताया सबको कि ऐसे आप करके स्ट्रेच करें स्पाइन को, ये भी कर सकते हैं.
Tadasana जैसा.
That's one way of stretching spine. Lie down on the floor और head को पीछे जितना कर सकते हैं, leg को जितना आगे कर सकते हैं. That's one of the posture you can do. So there are many ways for spine enhancement. एक मैंने suggest किया कि inhale करके as much as you could, वो एक posture आप कर सकती हैं. तो not necessary. If you cannot do something, that's perfectly fine. There are many other alternatives. There are many options.
Thank you.
No problem.
And next, Rita Verma, please unmute yourself.
Bole Rita ji, please.
Good afternoon, Bharti ji.
Good afternoon.
Just wanted to ask, sometimes you feel cold, and how to increase the heat element in the body? Is there any way to just?
हाँ, there are two options. एक तो डाइट का पैटर्न है, एक तो ये है कि जिंजर और तुलसी का,
हाँ, I've been doing.
जिंजर और तुलसी का बॉयल कर लें वाटर में,
Yeah.
और उसको कंज्यूम करें.
Okay.
या जब भी ऐसी दिक्कत होती है तो गार्लिक ले लें. मेक श्योर छोटा वाला देसी गार्लिक लें, वो कहीं जाएंगे तो मिल जाएगा. बहुत बड़ा वाला अब होल गार्लिक, उसको च्यू करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसको टैबलेट की तरह लेकर के, और उसी पानी से जब ठंडा हो जाए वो जिंजर वाला, तो उससे पी लें. उसको रेगुलर पानी से भी पी सकती हैं. दैट्स वन थिंग. टू थिंग, इमीडिएट रिलीफ के लिए लेफ्ट वाला नॉस्ट्रिल बंद करें.
Okay.
लेफ्ट वाला ध्यान रखिएगा, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाएगी. लेफ्ट वाला बंद करके राइट से 30 टाइम्स इनहेल और एक्सहेल करें.
30 times.
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं करना है.
Okay.
क्योंकि इम्बैलेंस नहीं करना चाहता बॉडी सिस्टम को, नहीं तो इम्बैलेंस हो जाएगा.
So जो गार्लिक का आपने बोला है, is that चने वाला गार्लिक जो मिलता है, that एक ही पोड़ी का छोटा सा राउंड, it's like a small, is that what meaning? Yeah, okay.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसा हो कि उसको टैबलेट, क्योंकि जो बहुत बड़ा होता है जो गार्लिक होता है ना, उसके जो तत्व हैं, उसके एलिमेंट इतने अच्छे नहीं होते. हाँ, कोई भी चीज वो छोटे वाले में एलिमेंट ज्यादा होते हैं, इसलिए सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. कोशिश करें ऑर्गेनिक मिल जाए तो ज्यादा बढ़िया.
Any specific time कि morning या afternoon, any time it can be?
शाम को लेते ज्यादा बढ़िया, वो गल्प करने वाला.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Don't have any more hands up. Any questions?
No, that's it already. It's 11.
11 हो गए. Okay, thank you.